Welcome to First Garden New Gardener. I'm Holly Baird. We're going to talk about something that occurs on your plants that is not powdery mildew. If you're familiar with powdery mildew, I'll go over that in a second. But this is called silver mottling. It looks a little bit like powdery mildew, like the beginning stages possibly. But it's actually a genetic trait that occurs on certain varieties of cucurbit plants, which include things like squash, cucumber, beans, grape leaves, etc. You can tell it's not powdery mildew by simply taking like your thumb or whatever and rubbing it, and when you rub it, there's no powder that comes off. You can tell it's just part of the leaf. If you have powdery mildew, you would take your finger, rub over it, and that powder would come off on your finger. So this is just a genetic trait of these plants. It's not the plant, it's actually the variety of the plant, and so sometimes that does occur. If you do have powdery mildew is caused by warmer temperatures during the day, cooler temperatures at night, and a wet season. So a lot of times you'll see it in August as we move closer to fall because the nights become cooler. You can get rid of powdery mildew by using different combinations of home remedies like water vinegar solution, water baking soda solution, things like that. You can look that information up online, and then you would apply it to the leaves. If there's not a ton of leaves with powdery mildew on them, you can go ahead and just remove up to 25% of the plant leaves. So this is not powdery mildew, this is silver mottling. But if you do have powdery mildew, there's a few good solutions for you. For more information, please visit thewisconsinvegetablegardener.com.